Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable gesture operation on PLAYit. So let's get started. Firstly, open PLAYit app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next tap on settings. Then tap on video. Next you can see the option of gesture operation. Turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can enable gesture operation on PLAYit. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.